Hey everybody, Dan Girolmo, Big Boomer. Math class number 1. Look at some of you confused and you haven't wrapped your head around Karatbars. Folks, this right here is a Karatbar. Let me explain something very carefully to you. On the back is a hologram. You may not be able to see it very well there, but surrounding it is a certificate. This is real gold money. Now, this is what everybody you know knows. This is Karatbars in its essence. Everybody you know goes to work and makes this. And then doesn't matter if they got a shovel or stethoscope in their hand, they make the paper money, they go put it in a paper money bank, and then they get a paper money debit card to spend at the stores, okay? That's what you know, and that's what people do. Now, here's something to know. Every time you give the bank a dollar, they can loan out 9 more. And they're going to collect 9 times the interest. Follow me? Now, when they collect 9 times the interest, what are they paying you? 1.5% interest on your account? Do they charge you maintenance fees? Right? Well, guess what? The real rate of inflation is over 11% in the United States right now. They don't mark that by the government because they leave out gas, food, and energy costs and a few other things. Well, why would they do that, Dan? Well, very simple. If they didn't do that, and every administration over the last 40 years has left out those numbers, they would have to index Social Security, Medicare, Medicaid, unemployment, cost of living adjustments for government jobs, etc. They would have to increase that. And no administration's going to do that, so they fudge the numbers. It isn't one party or another. So, that means knucklehead math. For every dollar you give the bank, then real rate inflation is 11%, and they're paying you 1.5%, you're losing 9.5% on every paper dollar you got in your paper money bank account. But you still need your paper money bank account. So, here's our solution. Keep what you do for a living. Don't make a drama out of opening a Karatbars account. Keep your paper money bank account. Open a Karatbars account. How much does it cost to open up? Nothing. Is there any maintenance fees? No. 100% of every dollar you exchange from paper money into gold money in your account gets transferred. There aren't any other broker fees to it. It includes free vaulting and a number of other features for you so that you can make this a simple, painless process. All right? Now, what's the benefit of that? Well, the task you should do right now is very simple. I can't control the bankers, politicians, or governments from printing more of these. And every time they print more of these, the value of these go down. So that means that for every $4 you put into your paper money bank account, take $1 of the 4, put 3 in your paper money bank account, and put 1 in your gold money account. As the governments, bankers, and politicians make bad decisions which increase the money supply and the value of the dollar, what happens to your gold account? It goes up. It merely balances out the losses you have with paper money and bad decisions by politicians, bankers, and governments. Now, if you don't have one of these, this is what you know. The cost of cereal and stuff gets either more expensive, or the boxes get smaller, a gallon of gas gets more, jobs go overseas. You see movements like Occupy Wall Street and Tea Party and regime changes. You see dissatisfied people. You see a number of symptoms that people think are the problem. Wrong answer. This is the problem, and you will never fix any social program until you fix the money that they throw at it to fix it. And that's the essence of Karatbars right here. Open an account, be smart, and utilize the one thing that we can give you that won't cost you a penny to put into place. Merely change the way you think about paper money, and you will change the results you see in society. Take care. Blessings. That's all.